be back in Oakland after the unbelievably severe weather we've had in New York. It's been a real tough winter back home. My name is Ted Herman. I'm Vice Chairman of the Mutual of America Foundation, and let me tell you, I have the best job imaginable. Can you believe I'm being paid today to be here? My employer, Mutual of America, knew how happy I was and how much I was looking forward to spending the afternoon with everyone here. They made me take this as vacation time. So it's great to be here. We're just also pleased that CALICO was named a 2013 Community Partnership Award recipient. It's fun. I don't want you to do that a lot. It really is quite an honor to be selected. As part of the initial selection process, we do an actual on-site visit. We personally visit every program that's been nominated for a Mutual of America Community Partnership Award. Even though in advance we know quite a bit about the program, it's always nice to see it up close and personal. Our visits allow us to kick the tires, spend the day with the administrators, the board members, donors, and sometimes even clients. I had the privilege of leading the team that came to San Leandro on a warm, sunny day last August. It was a pleasure to meet Victoria and many of her colleagues who make up the team we know as the Multidisciplinary Child Abuse Partnership. During that initial visit, I learned that CALICO's success stems from their ability to bring together multiple agencies to share information and decide the best approach to ensure the safety and well-being of the victims of child abuse. Somehow, you have the recipe for being able to meld the needs and missions of both the criminal justice system and the welfare system. And that's not an easy task. We haven't seen that anywhere else to the extent that we saw it at CALICO. We just knew, even before arriving in San Leandro that day, that your program would be named a 2013 Community Partnership Award-winning program. We even brought the congratulatory letter with us to present to Victoria, and we don't often do that. Well, we saved a little bit on the postage, but we took it with us. So please, again, join me in congratulating all of the staff and volunteers that make CALICO work and work so well. Let's hear it. Congratulations, everyone. You know, these hometown luncheons and presentations of awards have become the heart and soul of the Mutual of America Community Partnership Award. It's a chance to celebrate and thank everyone who's been involved with the success of your award-winning program. I'm delighted today to be accompanied by several of my colleagues from Mutual of America. The first one I'd like to introduce is Abbas Malou, who is the Vice President in charge of the San Francisco Regional Office. I would tell you that Mutual of America is particularly pleased of the accomplishments of the regional office under Abbas's leadership. If you already don't know him, you really should get to know him. He's both very personable and very professional in everything he does. Abbas, please join me at the podium and share with our guests a little bit of what you and your staff are involved in this area. Abbas, that's the nicest thing you said. I hope you'll let it go to your head.
Good afternoon, everybody. As Ted mentioned, we have our regional office representing here the company. All our staff are mostly sitting at that table, and I'm going to start calling their names so that you can know who these people are, starting with our Vice President Mike Malone, Corey Mello. Stand up when I call your name, or please wave. Corey Mello, Luxana, Maria, Jamie, Dan, and Jesse.
I want to be seen.
This is our team. This is our team that works out of our Walnut Creek office. But since Mutual of America's founding in 1945, our primary mission has not changed. Our goal is to help individuals achieve a financially secure retirement. And our regional office in Walnut Creek provides its services to the entire Northern California area. Our clients are individuals with extraordinary vision, just like CALICO, embracing the values that make our country strong. That dedicate their lives to their communities that they work in and the people that they employ. We support their efforts in ways that go beyond providing retirement plans. That is why their stories are also our stories. The Mutual of America Community Partnership Award is one of many ways in which we invest in solutions that have a lasting positive impact on access to education, economic development, and support for the most vulnerable amongst us. Finally, I want to congratulate the CALICO team. Not always do we get a client who's a winner in our region, so that's extra good for us, that we can say our client even won this award, the CALICO Center, for achieving this award, and we look forward to continuing working with you in the coming years. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I guess you got a lot of hungry associates in that office. They'll show up today. I'm also accompanied today from New York by Thomas Gilliam. Thomas is the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of the Mutual of America Foundation. And Thomas is the one person primarily responsible for raising the level of awareness of the Community Partnership Award to the national status that it enjoys today. Following lunch, Thomas will be presenting some very, very special awards. Thomas, won't you stand and be
Thank you,
recognized?
Ted, and good afternoon, everyone. Welcome.
Thank you. I want to let you in on a little secret today. Don't often tell this to anybody, to everybody. Today, this luncheon is the 180th awards luncheon sponsored by Mutual of America. Let me tell you that Thomas has been at every single one. He's eaten more chicken than any man in America. We have a full house. We're bringing out another table here. So that's very nice. We're so proud and delighted that CALICO was selected as a 2013 Community Partnership Award-winning program. Our selection committee did an outstanding job. However, let me tell you that selecting winning entries for what has become one of the most prestigious recognition awards in this country for not-for-profit organizations is not an easy task. The competition for this award is keen. The selection process is exhaustive. The Community Partnership Award winners are not chosen at random. We don't pull names out of a hat. CALICO and your multidisciplinary partnership successfully competed against hundreds and hundreds of other organizations that also submitted awards for this prestigious, also submitted applications for this prestigious award. All of the entries involve partnerships that are unique, that are creative, that are innovative, and all have demonstrated a pattern of success in solving a recognized community need. Entries were received from every state, every region, every locality, and from every type of social service organization imaginable. In addition, the selection committee, in making its recommendations, selects programs that can be replicated. Certainly, your collaboration can be a model program in many communities across this country. In prior years, winning organizations have included those whose concerns have focused on everything from child care to elder care, from youth guidance to vocational guidance, from domestic violence to health care for the indigent. And this past year, winning entries have worked hard to improve the lives of the unemployed, the vulnerable, the homeless, the disabled, the hungry, and those who just need a helping hand to move up and out of a difficult situation. Winning entrants this year span the country from Bronx in the New York City area to Miami, Florida, and from New Orleans, Louisiana to Chicago, Illinois. All of the programs have one thing in common, and that's to help people who have little hope and nowhere else to turn for sorely needed assistance. Mutual of America has honored 10 outstanding examples of collaboration each year for the past 18 years. 180 groups working together to better the lives of so many disadvantaged people. We're so pleased to add CALICO to this prestigious roster of award-winning organizations. The bottom line for all of us at Mutual of America is recognizing and thanking those people and partnerships that are truly making a difference. Your program and all of your collaborative efforts are certainly making a difference in so many ways and in so many young lives. So thank you for joining us today to honor and recognize a wonderful community asset. Please enjoy your lunch, and we'll be back shortly with some very special presentation. Thank you for coming. Sorry about the delay in setting up another table, but everybody will be fed. Guarantee it. Thank you. Thank you.